Hey guys, in this video, I will give you the complete guide of Evernote. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a complete beginner-friendly guide to Evernote, a powerful tool designed to help you take notes, stay organized, and manage your tasks efficiently. Evernote allows you to capture ideas, store important information, and keep everything structured in one place, so you can access it anytime across different devices. Whether you are a student, professional, or someone who simply wants a better system for organizing daily life, Evernote provides a simple yet reliable solution. If you want to follow along step by step, you can begin by opening Evernote through the provided link in the description and setting up your account. Once you access the link, you will be taken to the official Evernote website. At the top of the homepage, you will see different sections such as AI features, Explore, Plans, and Enterprise. A good starting point is to explore the Plans section, where you can review the different subscription options available. These typically include Starter, Advanced, and Enterprise plans, each offering different features depending on your needs. You can also switch between viewing monthly pricing options to better understand the cost structure. After reviewing the plans, you can proceed by clicking on the Start for Free button located in the top right corner. If you already have an account, you can simply log in instead. There is also an option to download the Evernote application if you prefer using it outside the browser. After completing the sign-up or login process, you will be redirected to the Evernote dashboard, which may take a few seconds to fully load. Once it appears, you will be inside the main workspace where all your activities take place. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will find a navigation panel that contains several important sections. The Home section provides an overview of your activity, while shortcuts allow you to pin frequently used notes for quick access. The Notes section is where all your created notes are stored and organized. The Tasks section is dedicated to managing your to-do items, helping you keep track of what needs to be completed. There is also a Files section, where you can store and access important documents uploaded to Evernote. The Calendar feature allows you to schedule events and view your tasks alongside your timeline. In addition, there is a Templates section where you can either browse pre-designed templates or create your own to speed up your workflow. The Notebooks section helps you group related notes together, making organization more efficient. You can also use tags to categorize your content further for easy searching. The Shared with Me section displays any notes or files that others have shared with you. Another useful feature is Spaces, where you can create a new space by entering a name and description, then confirming its creation. Then there is Directory section. This feature is best understood through its notebooks and stacks, which function much like folders and directories on a computer. We also have the Invite User tab. This feature allows you to collaborate with others by sharing your notes or entire notebooks. Finally, under the More section, you will find the Trash folder as well as options to customize the sidebar according to your preferences. At the top of the dashboard, there is a menu represented by 3 dots that provides quick access to creating new items. From here, you can choose to create a new note, task, or event. When creating a note, you begin by entering a title and then proceed to write your content in the main body area. As soon as the note is created, it will automatically appear in the Notes section on the left side. The editor includes a variety of formatting tools at the top, allowing you to customize how your content looks. By clicking on the Insert option, you can add different elements to your note. For example, you can insert checkboxes, which are particularly useful for creating task lists. You can type items like quiz or exam next to each checkbox, and once completed, simply check them off to mark them as done. This makes Evernote a practical tool for both note-taking and task tracking. Another helpful feature is the ability to insert dividers. Go to Insert tab and select Dividers, which help break your content into sections for better readability. After adding a divider, you can continue writing new content below it. You can also insert tables into your notes, allowing you to organize information in a structured format. Within a table, you can click on any cell and begin typing, just like regular text. If you need more space, you can easily add additional rows or columns using the plus icon. Dividers can also be inserted within or after tables if needed. After you add divider, it will separate the table section. Additionally, Evernote allows you to insert links by specifying display text and attaching a URL, making it easy to connect your notes with external resources. The text formatting options in Evernote are highly flexible. You can change fonts, adjust sizes, and apply different colors to your text. If you select multiple sections at once, you can change the style and you can also change the font of these texts. And any formatting changes you apply will affect all selected text simultaneously. For instance, you can make text bold, change its color, or modify its size in one step. Now, if you click on these more options, there are also options to simplify formatting or remove it entirely, depending on your preference. Once your note is complete, you can share it with others by clicking on the Share button located at the top right. You can enter a person's name or email address, set their access permissions, and generate a shareable link. This link can then be sent to others, allowing them to view or collaborate on your note. Now, let's go to Tasks section at the left side. In the Tasks section, you can create and manage your to-do items efficiently. To add a new task, simply click on the option to create one and enter a title of your task. You can also include a description to provide more context about what the task involves. Evernote allows you to set due dates, add reminders, assign tasks to specific individuals, and define priority levels. There is also an option to enable flags for important tasks. After filling in the details, clicking on Create Task will add it to your list. Once a task is completed, marking its checkbox will indicate that it has been finished, helping you stay on top of your responsibilities. The calendar feature adds another layer of organization by allowing you to schedule events. You can select any date and create a new event by specifying the start and end time. If the event lasts the entire day, you can choose the all-day option. After entering the details, the event will appear on your calendar for the selected date. Clicking on the event will open a pop-up where you can link notes, find related notes, edit details, or delete the event if necessary. This integration between notes, tasks, and calendar makes Evernote a comprehensive productivity tool. Finally, the Notebooks section allows you to organize your notes into different categories. You can view all existing notebooks or create a new one by entering a name and confirming its creation. This helps keep your information structured and easy to navigate. If you are using the free version of Evernote, you may encounter limitations after reaching certain usage thresholds, at which point you may be prompted to upgrade your plan. Overall, Evernote provides a well-rounded system for managing notes, tasks, and schedules in one place, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their organization and productivity. And that's it. That was the complete guide of Evernote. See you in the next one. Thanks.